car is drowning. Look at that. Look how deep this snow is from overnight. Oh my word. Just love the snow. Oh my word. I know people that wake up in the morning and see snow and know that they have to shovel before they go to work, and they hate it. They really, really hate it. And I just love this. It makes me so happy, except the fact that I have to go to work and I can't just like play in the snow all day. Like, it is so gorgeous. It's like the fluffiest, softest snow ever. And there's like 14 inches of fresh fluff. Just amazing. So pretty. Getting the tractor out to clean the roads. Can't turn on any of the roads I need to turn on. Snowbank in the middle of the road. Love it. It is not cool. Winter air, drying out my hair, making it all staticky and just stick flat to my head. Goodness gracious. Okay, give me some volume. I just don't know how to do my hair though, honestly. I've tried a few times. Every time I go to get my hair cut, my, what is she called? Salon hair cutter, barberess. What is it called? The girl who cuts my hair. She always tells me, oh, it's so easy. Just get this hairspray, or just get this product, or just get this dry shampoo, or just get this hair powder. And she just does it so quickly and easily. And she's like, oh, just grab the curling iron and just do this little curl thing. And I'm like, you make it look so easy. I know she's literally been doing this for like 20 plus years, probably 30 or 40 years, but I just don't have the time to do my hair. I don't have the time to learn it. I'm sorry. No. I've tried like a few times. And anyway, that's why I like to keep my hair short as short can be, like not even this is long, okay? I like it short because then I don't have to do anything to it, and it has like volume because it just like sticks up. But anyway. In conclusion, my hair does not like the winter, but I love the winter. It is so gorgeous and so much fun, and I will keep shoveling anytime.